Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zaihan bin Muhammad Hanafiah. I'm from FKE and my supervisor is Professor Madya IR Dr. Gan Chin Kim. For TF, which is stand for Teaching Factory Company Background, Teaching Factory is structured under the Office of Deputy Vice Chancellor for Academic and International, which was developed and established in UTeM to provide real-life environment simulation of production and services in everyday industrial practices. TF located in University Technical Malaysia Melaka, Hang Tuah Jaya 67100 Durian Tunggal, Melaka. The vision of Teaching Factory is to be globally recognized teaching factory, and the motto is revolutionize learning experience. The mission of Teaching Factory is providing engineering services, technology, education and promotion in the field of advanced manufacturing and computing technology to the industry and community, supporting, assisting and contributes towards research excellence and in the field of advanced manufacturing and computing technology of nation and region, providing comprehensive and integrated training facilities to UTeM undergraduate and postgraduate students, providing the latest, advanced and modern engineering and technology for various product of manufacturing processes. And the last one, providing training platform in advanced manufacturing and computing technology in UTeM. Okay, the industrial supervisors. The general manager of Teaching Factory is Professor Dr. Muhammad Rizal bin Saleh, and the operation manager is IR Dr. Azrul Azwan bin Abdul Rahman, which is my industrial supervisor. Okay, our job scope. Okay, the responsibility of the production house, which is the team that I assign, is to design an automation system that can reduce time and energy by the workers at PRIMS workshop to achieve daily production targets. Study the packaging item specification (PIS) to identify which product can be packaging by automation. So our first task is design an automation system for PRIMS product, which is safety pin. So the objective is to analyze PRIMS products and identify the processes involved. Design an automation system for the PRIMS product chosen to study and apply CIM, System in Execution Processes of Automation System, to learn about Programmable Logic Controller, PLC, and CS Programmer, and the last one to enhance knowledge about machines available in production house. This is our design and our flowchart. This is the CS Programmer interface. And the second task is we need to design the automation system for PRIMS product, which is crochet hook. So the objective is to analyze PRIMS products and identify the process involved, design an automation system for the PRIMS products chosen to reduce downtime in manufacturing, to enhance knowledge about NXCAD. So the task detail. Our second task is semi-auto machine sticker. Is semi-auto automation machine. So we use the concept of back neck sealer or automatic label dispenser and tape dispenser. The crochet hook will go into the rod manually. The rod with crochet hook will into the hole that reverse for it. The rod holder will pull down manually until the end of the surface of the machine sticker. The working principle of the machine sticker is equal to the concept of the tape dispenser and automatic label dispenser, but the tape is placed backward. So this is our design. So this is our holder, and the holder is the function is to hold the crochet hook. Okay, crochet hook will be placed here, and then this thing we will make it slide into this area downside. Okay, here is where the sticker will automatically go out. So when we push this down, the crochet hook will push also with the sticker, and then roll it, and the sticker will be attached into the crochet hook, and that's it's done. So this is our flowchart. So this is a new software for us actually for drawing, 3D drawing, which is an SCAD interface. Okay, the skill developed is electrical and design skill. We learn about PLC, Arduino, and SCAD, and many more actually. And we also learn leadership skills, communication and active listening skills, teamwork skill, troubleshooting and high thinking skill, and also how to solve problem. Okay, this is our working environment. This is our presentation with Dr. Azrul, and this is some advice given by Dr. Rizal, and this is our brainstorming time, and this is our meeting, general meeting, and this is our pembentangan, presentation. Okay. What can I say? They all I like them. They're all supportive, and I have good surrounding. Conclusion is the industrial training program in TF had given the trainees opportunities to prepare themselves as future automation experts. TF has many dedicated employees who are willing to help make this industrial training program a success. Well delivered the final project and give benefits to the company supervisor and manager. That's all from me. Thank you.